Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining me. My name is Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services, and welcome to Science Buddy series. Today, we are going to make a melting rainbow. And for this experiment, all you need are 3 ingredients. The first ingredient you need is a plate. The second ingredient you need is water. The third ingredient is Skittles. So 3 ingredients: a plate, water, and Skittles. So everybody, pause your video, go get your 3 ingredients, and then come back to see what we're going to do. I'll see you in a minute. Welcome back, everybody. Does everybody have their 3 ingredients? Does everybody have a plate? Does everybody have water? Does everybody have Skittles? Awesome. Okay, so the first step is we have to use our plate and Skittles. We have to make a pattern. Does anybody know what a pattern is? A pattern is something that repeats. So colors that repeat could be orange, green, orange, green, orange, green. So a pattern repeats. I will show you the pattern I'm going to do. I pick red, orange, yellow, green, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple. So pick a pattern, make a circle around the outside of your plate. So everybody, make a circle with your Skittles in a pattern around your plate. So pause your video and make your pattern. Then come back and I'll show you what the next step is. Welcome back, everybody. Okay, did everybody make a pattern around the outside of their plate? Awesome, good to hear. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is pour our water in the middle of the plate. We're going to pour the water until the Skittles get wet. Let's make a guess. What do you think will happen when the Skittles get wet? Let me hear some guesses. Awesome guesses. So our experiment is called a melting rainbow. So I wonder if it's going to melt into a rainbow. I like all your guesses. So let's see what happens. I'm going to pour the water in the middle until the Skittles get wet. Now let's watch to see what happens to our Skittles. colors are starting to melt off the Skittles. Wow. Look at that. The colors are melting from around the circle, and they're melting into the middle, making a rainbow of colors. That's amazing. Now, everybody, pause the video, go pour the water into the middle of the plate until the Skittles get wet. Watch what happens, and then come back and tell me what your pattern looked like. I'll see you soon. Hi again. So, what happened? Did you make a rainbow? Amazing! Good job, everybody. So today our experiment was a melting rainbow. I'm Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services, and thanks for joining me for our Science Buddy series. I will see you again soon. Bye!